Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create a table in Microsoft Publisher. So let's start it. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, now you can see create a table. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now click for a table option. Now select from insert table. Now we can see, then we show interface. Now we can see, now select from a number of row. Now I choose from 5 row, and number of column, now choose from 4 columns. Now click for OK. That it's. Then we can see insert from table, then add the all border. Now select from a all table. Now going to the border menu option, then click for a all border option. That it's. Now you can see create table in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for